Hey everyone! Today's question is brought to you by, well, this pepper. Achoo! Ouch! That sneeze came out of nowhere. Actually, that's kind of the point. See, your nose is like a bouncer for your body. It keeps out dust, pollen, and even bad guys like viruses. But sometimes a sneaky pepper flake gets past the defenses. That irritation triggers an alarm in your body. Signals race to your brain like, hey, there's an intruder. Your brain then throws a full on eviction party. It tells your chest muscles to take a deep breath, filling your lungs with air. Then, bam! Your vocal cords slam shut, trapping all that air. And finally, achoo! That sneeze can travel at over 100 miles per hour, blasting out anything that shouldn't be there. So the next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body's way of giving intruders the boot. Alright, gotta go clean the air. Literally. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more answers to your everyday questions.